Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the device and enabling the built-in control feature. On iOS, use Screen Time. On Android, use Digital Wellbeing. Once enabled, set a passcode that only you know to prevent changes. Next, identify the apps or categories you want to limit. Pick the highest use offenders first so changes have immediate effect. Make sure to sync settings with any linked accounts or family sharing so limits apply across devices. This first step puts the system ready for precise app limits. Once the foundation is ready, create targeted limits on individual apps or whole categories by specifying daily time caps in minutes or hours. Use scheduled downtime or focus periods to enforce blocks during homework, sleep, or work hours. This prevents quick bypasses. Add exceptions for necessary services such as calls, navigation, or school apps so functionality remains. As you configure, test one app to confirm behavior, then roll the same pattern to other apps to maintain consistent boundaries. Finish by enforcing the limits and watching results. Review weekly usage reports and tighten or relax limits by minutes or percent based on real use. Make sure the passcode is set and family sharing or account sync is active to prevent local overrides. Test enforcement by reaching a limit and confirming the block appears. If things go wrong, restart the device, verify the control feature is signed into the expected account, and reapply the limit. This often clears permission or sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.